Guys, let's go.
Did I jump down? What's going on, guys? It's your boy Zuko here. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment your favorite part. Make sure you stay until the end because it only gets funnier.
What the fuck is that? It's a bird. It's a plane.
It's a rat.
It's a rat. What the fuck is that thing?
Oh shit! Oh shit! I'm out of here! I'm out of here! I'm out of here! I'm out of here! Oh! Oh!
Or down the hallway.
I couldn't say anything. I was stuttering.
Oh shit! Shitter!
Flies! It flies! It flies! No! Oh no! Oh, what the fuck is this shit?
Really?
Oh! Bro! Rockstar, turn around! Oh shit! Oh!
Say a Glocky.
Oh shit!
Oh! Bitch! I took a picture! Oh my god, why?
I really just turned around. Bro, I turned around, took her picture, and she.
Y'all went to go
Oh
downstairs.
shit! Oh shit! I just
In
got
the same
mean
spot.
ass chills, bro. Oh my. Whoa.
I
Yeah.
didn't even go through back there.
The worst.
She's coming! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out!
I can't. No.
No!
Bitch.
Rockstar, get in here! Come on! Rockstar! Rockstar! Rockstar!
Come on! Fuck! Me!
I'm out.
Fuck!
Take a seat, so I took a seat. I'm glad she survived. She could be quiet.
I'm out, move!
Woke up to the descendants.
Oh! Whoa!
I'm in the car.
Who is this?
Are we doing a robbery?
Oh shit!
Dang.
Wait, so that. Oh, bro.
What the fuck?
Oh.
What is that?
Oh no! Yo! Whoa!
Hold me. I heard something.
Nigga, who left what?
Nigga, why'd you open the door? He's on that side, Rocky! Rocky!
I love codeine, I don't wanna let go. She knows she too special. That's one of the relationships you wouldn't last forever. But you know it's